In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync contacts' birthdays with Google Calendar. Many people find it helpful to have important dates like birthdays right at their fingertips in their digital calendar. And luckily, doing this with Google Calendar is easy and efficient. So let's dive right into it. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google Calendar's website. Once you're there, you'll want to sign into your Google account. If you're not already signed in, look for the Sign In button in the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you might be prompted to choose an account. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the one where your contacts are saved. Enter your email address and password and then click on Next or simply hit Enter to continue. This will bring you right to your personal Google Calendar. Now that you're logged in, shift your focus to the panel on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll find an option labeled My Calendars. You can expand the section if it's not already visible. This is where you'll locate the Birthdays checkbox. Clicking on this checkbox allows you to toggle the display of your contacts' birthdays within your Google Calendar. It's as simple as a quick click to show or hide them, depending on your preference. Next, click on the Birthdays option within this section. This will double check that you have the desired settings for showing your contacts' birthdays. It's important to remember that contacts need to have a birthday saved in your Google Contacts for them to appear here. Once you've ensured that's all set, head back to the main calendar view. Double check by scanning through the dates, particularly around significant birthdays you know of, to verify that they appear on your calendar. It's a good way to ensure everything's synced correctly, and it gives you peace of mind that these crucial events won't go unnoticed. If you ever need to hide these birthday notifications or adjust any other settings, you can always revisit these steps. Remember, the Birthdays toggle is your gateway to enhancing or simplifying the appearance of your calendar entries. And there you have it. Syncing your contacts' birthdays with Google Calendar is a straightforward process that enriches your digital planning experience, ensuring that you never miss another special day. Whether it's for your friend, family member, or colleague, you've now got these all-important reminders set up within Google Calendar. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.